F660 Steam Cleaning Machine Demonstration Video. Open the host head. Propose a black water tank. Add an appropriate amount of defoamer to the sewage tank. Place the black water tank properly. Place a black funnel. Add water and dry foam cleaner in a certain proportion. Close the host head properly. Add a certain amount of clean water to the external water tank. Insert the suction tube. Connect the quick connector at one end of the spray handle. Connect a 4-meter transparent tube band. Connect the connector on the other end of the spray hose. Connect the barrel body connector and the middle cover quick connector in sequence. Next, prepare to install the servo hand brush. Align the aviation plug on the hand brush with the groove of the main connector. Align it with the insertion and tighten it. After installation, the servo can be cleaned. Turn on the water spray switch, and the light will be on to indicate the working status. Align the stand and press the spray valve. Retrieve surface stains as a preliminary cleaning step. Stains are recovered to the sewage tank through strong suction. The dryness and humidity of foam can be adjusted by turning the knob. Foam scrubbing can effectively remove stubborn stains on the sofa. Single-handed operation for deep cleaning. After turning on the red water absorption button on the host head, recycle foam from sofa stains. After scrubbing, the sofa has residual foam. At this point, it is necessary to spray and pump once with clean water. Single-handed operation, brush and suck at the same time. Fast wash and dry. Don't forget to add water and filter it immediately. Clean as new. Brushing and spraying at the same time. It is the first in the industry. Design a synchronous operation of double water tank and double vacuum system. Meeting user needs and addressing customer pain points. Truly synchronized operation, no need for water tank replacement, convenient and effortless.
LRI, welcome to become a full cleaning expert with us.